This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the data. Now insert the chart. Open PowerPoint, go to Insert then Chart, and pick the chart type that matches your message. Once the chart appears, PowerPoint opens an embedded Excel grid. Paste or type your table headers and numeric columns directly. Make sure series are in one orientation. If not, use switch row/column. This gets you out of setup and into the real work. Accurate data inside the chart, so once your numbers are in, refine how they map to the visual. Edit the embedded Excel range to add or remove series, and use switch row/column to correct orientation. Then format axes, set min/max, change tick intervals, and apply number formats so values read cleanly. If scales differ, add a secondary axis. If you need a model, add a trend line. Make sure color choices and data labels highlight the key point rather than obscure it. Finish by polishing layout and accessibility. Adjust legend position, resize plot area, refine font sizes, and add clear data labels so viewers instantly get the takeaway. Once satisfied, copy the chart as a picture or save the slide as PNG/PDF for distribution. If the chart stops updating, check whether it's linked to an external Excel, break the link or paste special to embed values. If formatting breaks, rebuild the series. Sometimes redoing one series fixes stubborn display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.